Hello, my name is Ben Bond with Keller Williams Realty. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things that you should do before you have the home inspector come over. Number 1 is lights. You want to make sure that all of your lights are working and that you have light bulbs in all of the fixtures. And you may even want to put in brighter bulbs so that your home will show better. 2, you want to make sure that your smoke detectors are in working order. You may even want to replace your smoke detectors if they're old. 3, you want to make sure that your inspector has access to the electrical panel and the other utilities in the home. A lot of times what the selling agent will recommend is that you save money, put your stuff in the garage. Well, a lot of times that covers up the panel. And then what's going to happen is they're going to ask the inspector to come back and they're going to charge you a fee for a trip charge. Something else you want to do is you're going to want to make sure, if you haven't changed your filter out recently, that you change out your furnace filter. That may save you some money so that they don't ask for a HVAC contractor to come over and do a tune-up on your furnace. 4 is if you have pets, go ahead and put your pet in the crate. That way they're not following or pestering the inspector while they're there, or even better yet, go ahead and take your pet with you. 5 is water. Water is what destroys most homes, is the culprit of most problems. Inside the home, you're going to want to make sure you don't have any leaks underneath the sink. You're going to want to make sure you don't have any leaks at the toilet. So clean those areas. They're probably going to use a moisture meter just to make sure there aren't any leaks. And then outside the home you're going to want to make sure that you have the downspouts on, that they've got the extender away from the house. You're going to want to make sure that the gutters are clean so they're not overflowing, because they will note that on the report. Also, if the ground has settled, you might want to add enough dirt so that you have proper slope to get that water away from the house. These are the 5 things that you should be looking at before you have the home inspector over. Thank you, and if you have any questions, give me a call. I'm happy to help.